It's really important to us that we are building in a clean environment, that we're using proper cleaning and test procedures to make sure we are getting that maximum insertion loss that we're looking for. The Hammerhead actually helps us check the cleanliness of the fiber itself. It gives us a pass-fail criteria for if the fiber has contaminants on it. So it actually gives us a level of, okay, maybe the contamination is too high, then it's going to give us a fail, and we're going to have to go back and either repolish or clean the fiber itself. Or we get a pass and we're okay to move on to the rest of our testing. At Nortech, we take pride in working with our customers. We have great people, we have great customers, and we want to make sure that at the end of the day, we're meeting the demands of what our customer needs.